Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to share coordinates in Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share your coordinates in Kingshot, making it easier to communicate location with your friends or alliance. Start by opening your world map and selecting the location you want to share. For example, a spot next to your city in the Badlands. You see the X and Y coordinates, and to share them, simply tap the small icon next to the star. You can choose to send coordinates to an individual, your alliance, or the world channel. If sending to your alliance, add a message and the coordinates will appear in the chat. Another method is to mark the location by pressing the star button and seeing it as a neutral. Once marked, you can view all your bookmark location at the bottom of the map. To share a bookmark, press the share button next to the pencil icon. Select your recipient again. The alliance works well and confirm. The coordinates will then appear in the chat, making it easy for others to navigate directly to your marked location. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.